Assalamualaikum. Today my presentation on egg inoculation. Introduction. Egg inoculation is a method used for cultivation of viruses in a laboratory. Fertilized embryonated chicken eggs are used for virus isolation and vaccine production. This method is widely used in virology laboratories. These are objectives: isolation of virus cultivation, vaccine production, virus identification, study of virus growth. Materials required: fertilized embryonated eggs, alcohol swab for the disinfectant of shell of egg, syringe and needle for used for inoculation of virus in embryonated egg. Incubator for the maintenance of temperature, egg candler for the examination of egg, marker for the labeling of egg. Types of egg inoculation. There are main four types: chorioelastic membrane, elastic cavity, amniotic cavity, yolk sac. Chorioelastic membrane. This is thin and vascular in nature, used for growth of pox viruses. Pox virus produce pox lesions on membrane. That pox lesion visible as white spot. Example: fowl pox virus. Elastic cavity method, used for influenza and Newcastle disease virus. Virus grows in elastic fluid. Fluid is collected after incubation. Amniotic cavity method, used for primary isolation of virus. Virus infects embryo directly, commonly used for influenza virus. Yolk sac method, used for growth of some bacteria and viruses. Example: Rickettsia and Chlamydia. Early embryo is used for this method. Procedure: candle egg means examination of egg. Mark side means labeling of anatomically egg. Disinfectant shell through alcohol swab. Then drill the shell of egg through a driller machine. Then inject virus through injection. Then seal hole through a paraffin wax. After sealing hole, then inoculate egg in incubator at 37 centigrade. After procedure, we can observe embryo death, pox lesions, dropped embryo means embryo grow in small size. Hemagglutination means culping of red blood cell due to presence of antigen, antibodies. Applications: vaccine production means making of vaccine. Virus isolation means identification of virus. Research work means scientific study purpose. Diagnostic purpose means identification of nature of disease. Thanks.